Hey guys, Dave Keller here with Market Misbehavior and a rare, beautiful sunny day here in the winter, or almost winter at Seattle, Washington, outside of Seattle. Um, Wanted to share with you my one chart for today. I love to ask interviewees what their one chart is, meaning if you had one chart to look at to get a good sense of what's happening in the overall markets, besides just the regular S&P 500, what would it be and why? So I wanted to share with you my one chart for today. And it's essentially chart of financial sector. And this is the XLF, which is the most liquid financial sector ETF. And essentially, I talked about JP Morgan not too long ago. The XLF is a really interesting chart here. What happened is you have this 2-year base, and people call this a lot of different things, and inverted head and shoulders, and some sort of complex base. And essentially, you have a low, which was when the market low bottomed in end of December, and then you have a series of higher lows, and that's the range that you see here in 2018, again in 2019. This basing pattern had a resistance level around 28.25 to 29.25 or 29.50 or so. That finally was resolved higher at the beginning of last month, beginning of November. Then we had a retest of that resistance level, which was back here from the beginning of 2018, and now just today we have now gapped higher. What's even more important than everything I just said is the relative strength line. So you had an underperformance of financials even well past the market bottom at the end of last year. You then had this sideways period of market performance, and then look at how the relative strength has just improved. So the last quarter, it's actually been pretty good, and we're close to a new 13-week or even a 6-month, 8-month high in the relative strength line. So the XLF breaking to new highs after successful retest of a key support and resistance level, the relative strength nearing new highs, leading right into year end. It feels like financials are a really compelling chart, really compelling place to be going into year end. That's my one chart for today. If this sort of thinking about investment process, decision making, technical analysis, behavioral finance is of interest to you, I hope you'll hit subscribe. Check out some of the other videos on my Market Misbehavior channel. Thanks so much.